Listen, nobody tells you this. You can be fully booked as an event planner, working every weekend, posting consistently, creating beautiful setups, and still be broke, not just struggling a little. I'm talking about working hard, delivering amazing work, and then sitting in your car after an event wondering, where did all the money go? If that's you, I need you to really pay attention because this is the part most people never fix. Here's the truth. You're stressed. You're tired. You're doing everything yourself, and you're not getting paid what you deserve. Why? Because most planners don't actually know their numbers. They're not calculating their real expenses. They're not factoring in their time, their labor, their setup and breakdown hours, gas, last-minute runs to the store, broken items, replacements, storage, all the little things that add up. So on paper, it looks like you made $1,000 from an event, but in reality, after everything, you probably made $200 or nothing at all. And here's the scary part. Sometimes you actually lose money and don't even realize it. Let me ask you another question. How many times have you taken an event just because you didn't want to say no? Maybe it wasn't your ideal budget, maybe it didn't feel worth it, but you told yourself, at least it's something. But every time you say yes to the wrong client, you're saying no to the right one, and most people don't realize that. This is where everything shifts. You have to stop asking what will they pay and start asking what is this experience worth, because that's what you're really selling. You're not selling candles, linens, or centerpieces. You're selling a moment. You're creating the atmosphere where memories happen. First dances, proposals, celebrations, photos that will last forever. So why are you pricing that like it's just decor? Luxury clients understand this. They're not just paying for items. They're paying for how it makes them feel. They want that wow moment when they walk into the room. They want their guest to say, "This is beautiful." They want their event to look like something they've seen online, or even better. But if your pricing doesn't reflect that experience, they won't see you as luxury. They'll see you as optional. And here's something else nobody talks about. Cheap pricing attracts difficult clients, the ones who question everything and expect the most, while paying the least. But when you price higher and position yourself correctly, you attract clients who trust you, respect your work, and are willing to invest. Now let's fix this, because this part right here can literally change your business overnight. Before you take any event, you need to calculate your numbers. And I mean, really calculate them, not guessing, not estimating, actually knowing. You need to know your total cost, your materials, your rentals, your time, your labor, your overhead, and then your profit. Let me break that down simply. If you're spending $300 on materials, $100 on gas and extra expenses, and 10 hours of your time, are you really making money charging $500? Or are you just working for free? These are the questions most planners avoid because they don't want to face the answer. And that's exactly why I created something for you. Because I've seen too many talented people stay stuck in this cycle. I created a profit calculator specifically for event planners. So before you accept any booking, you can plug in your numbers and instantly see your real profit, your expenses, and whether that event is even worth your time. So instead of guessing, you'll know. Instead of hoping, you'll be confident. And instead of undercharging, you'll start making decisions like a real business owner. Let me ask you one more thing. What would your business look like if every single event you booked was actually profitable? Not just busy, but profitable, where you're not stressed about money, you're not overworked, and you're actually growing, because that's the goal. Not just to stay busy, but to build something that pays you properly. Here's what I want you to understand. You don't need more clients. You need better pricing, better positioning, and better decisions before you book. Because one badly priced event can drain your time, your energy, and your business faster than anything else. So if this hit you, if you felt this, if you've been in that place where you're doing everything right, but still not seeing the results, this is your moment to shift. Start valuing your work, start knowing your numbers, Start moving like a business owner, not just a decorator. And if you're serious about changing this, go check out the calculator in the description. Use it before your next booking and watch how different your decisions become. And listen, if this opened your eyes even a little bit, make sure you like this video. Subscribe for more real, honest game about this industry, and share this with another event planner who needs to hear this. Because the sooner you fix this, the sooner your business finally starts paying you what you deserve. And trust me, you already know what to do.